Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a registration form in Elementor. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, you need to install this HTMega and also Elementor. Look at this installed now, and then while it's installing, just wait for this to be installed, and once it's been installed, head over and click on this activate option in order to activate it. As you can see, plugin has been activated. Next thing we need to do is we need to create a new page that will actually show our registration form. So scroll down right here until you can see the option that says pages and click on this add new page. Now it will open in here a page block editor for your site. Now in here, let's name this as registration form. And then from in there, make sure to publish it and then just wait for this to be published. Once it's done publishing, just head over and click on this Edit with Elementor in order to open it with the Elementor editor. Now, once I have clicked on it, this will load and then redirect us to the Elementor builder. Now, this is what it looks like, so we need to head over and then put in here a container. Now, on this container that we have just added, we need to click on this plus icon and then just search in here for form. From in there, you should be able to see this form right here, as well as its WP pages, as well as this one. So you can head over and then add the form that you want to use for this case. I'll head over and use this WP form from HT, and then as you can see, it will be added in here. So you can select a form that you want to use. So it can be a contact form, subscribe form, any form that you want for this case. So for this one, let's choose a subscribe form, and you can also make sure to open in here the title, show it or hide it as well. Then also show or hide the description. Now we have in here our form, so you can head over and click on this style as well in order to change the things that you have for this case. Now in here, you can also edit out some few more things, like for example, this email list that they have available. So you can change it into your liking, and then from in there, you can add some few more things that you can actually tweak into. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.